Alright, having checked the manual for this Eldredge shuttle machine, badged as an Alden's, the tensioner assembly that I did the other day when I first put the machine back together is wrong. So, I'm going to take this all off of here and I'll reassemble this properly. So, okay. Threaded hole in the side of the machine. The tensioner has the spring, the pin hole goes in the side here to retain it. As right, the thread comes past the spring and flips it like that. However, thanks to the threading diagram in the manual, this spring goes on the side here, so the thread comes down around that spring and then through this hook. So we'll get our tension release button in place here and our screw stem. And hold our tensioner in place until, there we go. This spring I'm kind of lining up directly with the edge of the tension post here so that the thread can come down, get behind this take-up spring, and then go through this loop as the diagram in the manual shows. That's the tension release piece that the pin pokes on, and it has that peg on it to hold this triangle washer from turning, and this washer, you need to make sure that one of the ears points straight up, and that way this spring down below can move properly. And we'll put our beehive or cone spring in and the nut on the tensioner. And then get our nut on there, and when we lift the presser foot, you can see this big triangle washer lifts from the smaller washer in the center.